Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to use a clear formatting option on your Google Sheet mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to use the clear formatting option on your Google Sheet mobile and what the use of it. So first if I just open a blank sheet here, I'm just going to zoom in here. So here I'm just going to type as a text clear format whatever a text clear. We just can type as text clear. Now you're just going to select it, clicking on the boldness. I'm just going to choose effect, italic, underline, and also more option like we just going to increase the size of the text, changing the color of the text like a blue like color, and just going to change the font. Everything has been changed, and this just it. You can see this font have a lot of effects. I just no need to clear everything. So here the clear formatting option plays a role. So just click on this A symbol on the top, just scroll down, you will see an option on clear formatting. Just click this, which actually brings back to the original portion. While the text have a original portion, come back to the original portion. So this is the use of the clear formatting option on any software like Word, Excel, whatever. So make use of this on your Google Sheet mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.